Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about the root of creativity. Yoga Nidra is regarded as a tantric practice because in tantra the evolution of mind ought to become a spontaneous matter. You do not need to fight with your nature, practices and limitations due to the fact that by doing so, you are developing bitterness within yourself. Therefore, most people who attempt to correct themselves through the religious course become schizophrenic. For the last century, psychologists have been informing us, if you have a fault you need to accept it. You cannot get rid of it by hatred. Then how can we eliminate it? Decrease to the lower recesses of the mind and cut the root, then the tree will pass away by itself. The unconscious mind is the base of man's regular and unusual behavior. The base of all that we are remains in the subconscious and unconscious realms. For that reason, why keep on cutting the branches and the leaves? Yoga Nidra is a practice which will assist you to dive deep into the depths of your mind. Man is weak since he is depending simply on his intelligence and the details of his senses. Once you unlock the much deeper mind and you repose in Yoga Nidra, you are at the root of creativity. In Hindu mythology, the symbol of Yoga Nidra is Lord Narayana reposing on the ocean of milk. He is resting on a large serpent with lots of hoods, and the beautiful Lakshmi is massaging his feet. From his navel a lotus flower springs, and seated in the pericarp is Lord Brahma, symbol of the unconscious. This means that in Yoga Nidra, your unconscious manifests. Lord Narayana is in repose, your blanket is the snake, and the flooring is the milk ocean. Therefore, when you practice Yoga Nidra, you must totally relax, because this is not a practice in concentration. If you keep following the guidelines of the individual who is directing you in Yoga Nidra, it is possible to open the doors of your personality. However, if you occur to miss a couple of guidelines, it does not matter. What is essential is that you continue listening to the voice,